Tip tubs really spoke to me. I've never owned a ute, I don't have a garden, and I have zero need to tip soil anywhere. But the pure ethos of the concept and the intention and the people that came up with it were fantastic.
Sometimes it's a small problem, but a small problem solved times hundreds of thousands of people can have a big impact.
Right. Now, getting the load off the back of a truck can be long, hard, arduous work. Not that physical exercise ever hurt anyone, but hey, let's face it, there's got to be an easier way.
And Pete, I reckon I've found it.
Right. Come meet Gav. You're a builder and an innovator. What have you come up with?
I've come up with a temporary tipping tub, a rail system that goes in the bottom, a trolley and a big tub that goes on top. You draw it to the end of its travel and it discharges the load.
Doesn't this exist? I mean, you'd think it's obvious. This I've got to see. Good old Aussie innovation starts in a good old shed. This must be Nola.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi Peter, how are you?
How are you going?
Good.
What have you guys done?
Well, one day I drew a picture and I thought, I better show Nola, I better show someone.
Run it by the boss, right?
Yes, yeah,
So
definitely.
this is the basics of it. A tub that if you push to the side and it overbalances, lets go of the load. It's as simple as that.
No, Noel, does he wake up in the middle of the night and goes, oh, another great idea?
He constantly is tossing and turning at night. He knows better than to wake me at night to tell me about his great ideas.
Right.
Yeah, I wake up a lot of nights thinking about it because it's not a fun job unloading that vehicle, you know.
That's a designer. You're a designer. Waking up in the middle of the night.
I was a desperate man, just trying to find an easier way.
Now, this is the prototype.
Yes, so this is my first attempt.
These were standard bits and bobs.
Yep, they were off the shelf. I got some metal, cut it up, welded it together, measured, tested it quite a few times, you know, and until I made it work. And it's trying to tip. Once it gets to the end, it just lets go because all the weight will send it over the edge.
Right. Well, it seems to work to me. So what happens from here? You thought, hang on, that's not quite right. I need some proper industrial grunt design.
Yeah, well, that's when I heard of the guys on the radio from Form Designs.
He raced home. I was in the office on a computer and he said to me, have you heard of an industrial designer? I said, no, but let's Google it.
He came in very nervous with his own prototype that he made, and we were impressed by what he made. Our initial thing was to keep the counterbalance that he came to us with. We wanted something that folded down with the tailgate.
It would be in this position, of course. You put the tailgate down of your vehicle, down onto the tailgate, forming this opening.
Yep.
Unlatch, the tub would be sitting on the trolley, and you pull it, and it's trying to tip, and up they go, releasing the load.
Okay, so it sounds as though the innovation here is very much in the chassis of the tip tub.
That's right.
The tip tub comes in 3 different sections, the tub, the wheel assembly and the base frame. It can be installed with 2 people, but if need be, 1 person can do it.
And you've done it.
Well, I haven't done it on my own, but Gavin definitely has.
So slide that into position, and then close the tailgate. So Pete, if you could jump up and strap it in for me.
Yep, first day on the job, all right. Standard old straps.
Yeah, lashing straps. So we'll put it through these forwardmost lashings on the rail system and then
Round this one.
round that one, and looks to me like I've got the wrong strap.
Got the wrong ones.
That's no good.
You need a woman taking control.
Thanks, Noel. All right, we got the long bit of straps.
Next stage, we pick up the trolley section and the back wheels go in first, slide that along, front wheels, and then it comes straight back.
You make it look so easy.
That's because it is, Pete.
Okay, I am ready for a load. Well, Mark, you're a landscaper. I bet this has changed your life.
It has, mate. Yes, this makes light work of anything that we've got, be it mulch, sand. You can get in close to the job, you can empty it. Yeah, it saves you loads of time, and it's certainly reduced our back.
The chiropractor.
Yeah, that's right.
Gav, what sort of load can you put into it?
About 500 kilos, Pete. Yeah, half a tonne, which is a fair bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a shot. Wow, that was pretty cool, man. I think this is going to change a lot of people's lives.
Well, I hope so, Peter.
Okay, look, this innovation, it's tippable, durable, removable. It's remarkable.
Excellent, because there's a lot more loads to do out the back.
Okay, talk to your wife, please, Gav. I want some more banana bread.